Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to expand triple brackets. Triple brackets are three single brackets, okay, that multiply each other. Okay, now it is not much different to when you multiply double brackets. So all you need to do is multiply the first two brackets or choose any two brackets, but I'm going to stick to multiplying the first two brackets. So for the moment, ignore the third bracket. Let's multiply just the first one, so them two together, okay? And if you watched my first video, when you multiply two single brackets, okay, so I multiply the first one, so this is how I write it, the first term of the first bracket, so x, that multiplies the second bracket, x minus 2, okay? And then plus 2 is a plus 2. If it's a minus 2, then put minus 2, but here we have plus 2. Plus 2, that multiplies the second bracket, x minus 2. Right, and then let's continue. Find the answer, so expand x. This one is going to be x times x is x to the power of 2 minus x times 2 minus 2x plus 2 times x, 2x, 2 times minus 2 minus 4. Now let's have a look if you have any like terms. Yes, minus 2x plus 2x. Cross them out, okay, because they make 0. And so you have x to the power of 2 minus 4. Now, so this is the answer to multiplication of the first one. Now, what you do, multiply this answer by x plus 1. And now, from triple brackets, we have double brackets. Okay, exactly the same strategy. Multiply the first term by the second bracket. So you're going to have x to the power of 2 that multiplies x plus 1 minus 4 that multiplies x plus 1. And then we're going to have x to the power of 3 because x to the power of 2 times x becomes x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 minus 4x. Now minus 4 times minus 1 becomes minus 4. Do we have any like terms? No, we don't have any like terms. I think this is the answer, the final answer of our triple brackets. Okay, so the rule is multiply the first two brackets. So first multiply first two brackets. Okay, first two brackets, and then step number 2 would be multiply the answer, brackets, and step number 2, multiply this answer by the third bracket. So multiply, and this is multiply the answer by the third bracket. The third, okay, third bracket. Just like that. Okay, one by one. Let's have a look at another example. Here we have x plus 3 that multiplies x minus 2 multiplies 3x plus 1. Again, I'm going to choose the first two brackets and I'm going to ignore the third one. So I will have x, so the first term that multiplies the whole second bracket, that multiplies x minus 2 plus the second term plus 3 that multiplies the whole second bracket. Okay, and now x times x, now it's time to expand. So x to the power of 2 minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. Any like terms? Yes, minus 2x plus 3x. They, both of them are like terms. Same letter, same power. Right, so minus 2x plus 3x becomes x. So I have x to the power of 2 plus x minus 6. So this is the answer to the multiplication of the first two brackets. Now we're going to multiply this by 3x plus 1. Right. Now, I'd like to put the second one because as you see, I have less terms in the second one. I only have 2 terms, just to make it a bit simpler. In the first one, I have 3 terms, but again, it is absolutely the same strategy. You can go one by one. So x to the power of 2, that multiplies the second one. Well, we can do it like that. Let me do it both ways. This one multiplies 3x plus 1 plus x, that multiplies 3x plus 1, can you see? Or minus 6, that multiplies 3x plus 1, just like that. So every single term of the first bracket must multiply the whole of the second bracket. So it could be like this, or I'm going to draw a little line here, or as I said, I'd like to put the first bracket in order, 3x plus 1, that multiplies plus x minus 6, just because I have 2 terms. So I end up with 2 expansions, plus x minus 6, can you see? Plus 1, I'm going to put the 1 here and put the second bracket. Yeah, I'm going to follow the rules one by one without skipping rules. Can you see now? Now the answer is going to be, of course, it's going to be the same, but I chose to put the bracket with 2 terms first, just so that I end up with 2 expansions. However, okay, it is going to be the same answer. So let's follow the first strategy. The answer is going to be x to the power of 2 times 3x, 3x to the power of 3. So be careful with the expansions, plus x to the power of 2, because the triple brackets, multiplying, expanding triple brackets takes a little bit of time and patience, especially when you deal with negative numbers. So minus 6 times 3x is minus 18x, minus 6 times 1, minus 6. Now let's have a look if we have any like terms. Yes, I have them 2 are like terms, and these 2 are like terms. So the answer is going to be 3x to the power of 3. Now x to the power of 2 plus 3x to the power of 2. Now why are they like terms? Because they have the same letter. Can you see x? Same letter, same power. So you can add them. So plus 4x to the power of 2. And here, same letter x, same power, x to the power of 1. That's why these 2 are like terms. You don't add to the power of 2, x to the power of 2 to x. Just x, okay, because they are not like terms. Now, x minus 18x, the answer is going to be minus 17x minus 6. And let's have a look. Do we have any more like terms? No, we don't. This is to the power of 3, this is to the power of 2, this is to the power of 1, x to the power of 1, and just a number. None of them are like terms, so leave it as it is. This is the final answer. Let's see if we get the same answer if we follow the other strategy. So here I have 3x to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 2 minus 18x, and then plus x to the power of 2 plus x minus 6. Right, 3x to the power of 3, I don't have any other, so leave 3x to the power of 3 as it is, cross it out. 3x to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 2 plus 4 x to the power of 2 minus 18x. So I'm going to cross them out before now. Minus 18x plus x minus 17x. Can you see? Minus 6. Absolutely exactly the same answer. All right, so you can follow absolutely every order you want, however you want. But here I just put the bracket with 2 terms first before the bracket with 3 terms, just so that I avoid another expansion, but it's absolutely fine. As far as you remember, then when you multiply 2 brackets, each term of the first bracket multiplies the second bracket. Then you're going to be fine, and be careful with those expansions, be careful with signs, so that you get full marks. Why not? You deserve it. Thank you very much for watching my steps, and have a lovely day. Some more independent work for you to do. So triple brackets. So thank you very much for watching Math Steps and have a lovely day. Enjoy it. Bye-bye.